So great question. Hopefully I can make this simple. Fission is the process of splitting really big atoms apart. So in the really big atoms like uranium, the nucleons, the protons and the neutrons, are not tightly held together, not so tightly as you would get in smaller atoms. Fusion is where we're taking smaller atoms and putting them together in really tight atoms, like taking hydrogen and making helium out of it. So the difference is that with fission, the atoms are kind of loosely bound together, and by splitting them up, they become very tightly bound together. So in that process of coming together, coming closer, they give off energy. Kind of like the way that potential energy from gravity is given off when water goes through a dam. It's got potential energy from being high up, and then it gives that off as kinetic energy as it comes down to a lower height as it comes out of the dam. When it comes to charged particles, if they're a distance apart and you allow them to come together, they can do work as they come together. The same applies with nucleons, although it's not necessarily the Coulomb force that's really being applied there. It's really the strong nuclear force, although the Coulomb force is still there. But as those nucleons come closer together, they give off energy. And that energy is in the form of heat, as in a nuclear reactor for fission. But when we're taking fusion to bring atoms together, they give off energy by doing the same thing, but there again you have the strong nuclear force pulling them together and allowing the nuclear processes to occur that allow heavier elements to be built. So I've already said a lot more than I thought needed to, so thanks for the question. Have a good day. Bye.